Aishwarya is now connected. He is joining us from outside Parvesh Verma's residence. What a moment for Parvesh Verma here, Aishwarya. You have been tracking him from day one, and he was confident, and so was the entire top brass of the BJP. And he is now headed to Home Minister's residence, where Amit Shah was backing him through and through.
And 6 months ago, we were all standing there, getting a reaction, sir, why did the party cut your ticket, right?
Yes, and just look at how it has. I mean, this is called the game of politics, the true Game of Thrones as it is being played here.
Well, certainly, and that's the biggest story of Delhi elections. Parvesh Verma defeating Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. That's the biggest story as far as the Delhi elections are concerned. And right now we have moved inside the residence of Parvesh Verma. There you can see the family, friends, supporters, all have gathered over here. It was Hanuman Chalisa that was played earlier, and later now celebrations, victory for Parvesh Verma, as Parvesh Verma just headed to Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. And it was, of course, Home Minister that was very keen on these three seats, specifically Kalkaji, New Delhi Assembly constituency, and the Jangpura constituency as well. And Bharatiya Janata Party, clearly making their way ahead, and top giant, we can say, of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Parvesh Verma. Of course, Chief Minister's space, nothing had been said on that by the BJP top leadership as of now, but people over here, the supporters and the family members of Parvesh Verma, कितनी बड़ी जीत है आज परवेश साहिब से वर्मा की?
बहुत बड़ी जीत है हमारे लिए, हमारे पूरे परिवार के लिए, सबके लिए. हाँ.
Giant killer. He's now being called a giant killer because he has defeated Arvind Kejriwal.
He deserves. Absolutely. It's a giant, the biggest giant. I think.
बहुत काम किया है उन्होंने, बहुत दिल्ली के लिए करेंगे और करा भी है, और आने वाले समय में वो दिखा देंगे कि दिल्ली ने सही चॉइस की है.
Many are also saying that he is now the chief minister's face for the Delhi.
ये तो
He really deserves it. He really deserves it.
He deserves it.
You heard from the family members clearly saying that he deserves this victory because he has worked so hard. Ma'am, what went behind this victory of Parvesh Verma?
It's his vision, his value for Delhi, his value for Delhiites, nothing else. It's his dream to make Delhi a world-class city and Delhiites happy people. And obviously the Delhi which had become the gutter for last 11 years is up to becoming the Sone ki Chidiya again with his victory. Absolutely.
How was the hard work behind this victory? Arvind Kejriwal was the one who was the entire face of the Aam Aadmi Party, defeating him. Do you think that this is the biggest victory and biggest takeaway?
Yes, it is the biggest victory to Arvind Kejriwal. It was itself like a big victory. Like maybe he wins with whatever votes, but still it's like standing against Kejriwal itself was a victory.
It's a challenge that he took, and he has emerged as a winner because Delhiites have emerged as a winner, and we will see the change now.
And people.
We'll see the change now is something that the family members clearly believes. So that's the success story behind Parvesh's support as well. The family members stood by him, the friends stood by him, and the workers now arriving over here. Of course, Parvesh now headed to Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. What would be that meeting all about? The next few days, strategic meetings will be taking place, certainly to choose the Chief Minister of Delhi.